Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with my Glitter Planet UK's number 8 gel brush and the gel bottle ink color Daisy, and also the gel bottle ink in Extreme shiny top coat. I mixed those colors together to get like a milky white color. I didn't show that process, but that's what I'm doing here. I kind of wanted like an opal, look, opal-ish look, and not necessarily like a full white nail. So I'm going to apply this on my nails and then give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. After I'm done with that, I'm going to go back in with that same mixture, Daisy and the Extreme Shine top coat, and I'm going to apply another layer. I believe I did 3 coats of this, but I did 2 on camera and to get it opaque, but not too opaque. I don't know how to explain it. It looked kind of like a milky white in person, but like on the video it just probably looks white to you guys after I get done. But it was a really nice effect that I really liked using, and I think this effect would look really beautiful if you wanted to layer and do some like marble nails with this. I think it would look perfect. And now that I'm done with that, I'm going to use Light Elegance Tiny Diamond. This glitter is so beautiful. And I'm going to be applying this on my ring finger and then giving it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. And then once I'm done curing it, I'm going to apply another layer and then give it another cure in my light for another 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using my Wildflowers foil gel and I'm going to go in and apply this on my pointer finger, and then I'm going to give it a flash cure in my light for like 10 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and use this foil that I got from like Born Pretty, and then this little silicone tool that I got from the same place, Born Pretty, and I'm going to apply that on that pointer fingernail. And I was talking to you guys about marble, and the set needed a little bit more. Like I was like, okay, I'm content with it, but for YouTube purposes and for me being extra, I wanted it to have a little bit more. So that's why I decided to add the foil on there. I don't necessarily think it really needed it, but yeah. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to use matte top coat. I'm just going to go over all of my nails besides the ones that I did with the glitter, and I'm going to give it a full cure in my light for 60 seconds. I don't think that you need to do 60 seconds for the top coat, but I like to do it just because it's like the last layer that you're putting on your nails, and for it to not be sticky or anything weird, that's what I do. And after I'm done with that, these are my final results. And just in case any of my loyal subscribers have missed my post, because I haven't posted in a while, I have been gone from YouTube because I am with child. I'm so super excited. Me and my husband, we are finally pregnant with our first child. So I have been a little bit MIA because my first trimester have been hard on me, but I will be back and hopefully I can give you guys more videos on a regular basis. So that's where I have been. I am perfectly fine, and so is my family. So thank you guys all. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.